Hello, my name is Lauren Wilson. I'm the Director for Secondary Teaching and Learning in the Bethel School District, and we're excited that you're considering a career in our district to work with our kids. We offer high-quality professional development, our high-quality instructional materials, and our one-to-one technology initiative.
We have about 23,000 iPads out there that are used every day, both in teaching and in learning, to help our staff and students be successful.
As learners ourselves, we seek new approaches to support education and inspire our teachers as well through professional development such as summer institutes, ongoing developmental specialized trainings, and collaborative planning with our teachers.
We are very proud of the innovative instructional resources that we offer in Bethel. In recent years, we have completed curriculum adoptions for elementary and secondary in math, ELA, science, and social studies. These materials are research-based, they're aligned with Common Core state standards, and they are great digital resources.
As instructional coaches, we are here to help you navigate the complexities of teaching and refine your teaching practice.
We're working with our first and second year teachers to provide personalized instruction for each individual teacher.
We are able to go into the classrooms, we're able to help you plan, we're able to maybe co-teach a lesson with you.
Making really innovative professional learning experiences for our teachers and our staff.
We also support individuals, teams in planning, both at the unit or module level and also at the lesson level, to really make sure that the instruction students are receiving is customized to the needs of the kids in that particular classroom.
It's just a really great way to grow your practice really quickly right off the bat.
Now that you've heard a little bit about why Bethel is a great place to teach, we hope you will join our team, and we look forward to engaging you in our culture of continuous learning.